Darkness cannot drive out darkness. Only light can do that. Hate cannot drive out hate. Only love can do that. Injustice anywhere is a threat to justice everywhere. The time is always right to do what is right. The ultimate measure of a man is not where he stands in moments of comfort and convenience, but where he stands at times of challenge and controversy. We must accept finite disappointment, but never lose infinite hope. Faith is taking the first step, even when you can't see the whole staircase. Life's most persistent and urgent question is, what are you doing for others? Our lives begin to end the day we become silent about things that matter. The function of education is to teach one to think intensively and to think critically. Intelligence plus character, that is the goal of true education. I have decided to stick with love. Hate is too great a burden to bear. We may have all come on different ships, but we're in the same boat now. Only in the darkness can you see the stars. Freedom is never voluntarily given by the oppressor. It must be demanded by the oppressed. The time is always ripe to do right. If you can't fly, then run. If you can't run, then walk. If you can't walk, then crawl. But whatever you do, you have to keep moving forward. The ultimate tragedy is not the oppression and cruelty by the bad people, but the silence over that by the good people. In the end, we will remember not the words of our enemies, but the silence of our friends. Every man must decide whether he will walk in the light of creative altruism or in the darkness of destructive selfishness. We must live together as brothers or perish together as fools. I believe that unarmed truth and unconditional love will have the final word in reality. This is why right, temporarily defeated, is stronger than evil triumphant.